Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see pre-market or how you can access extended hours data in TradingView. So there are actually two ways how you can do it. Like not every single one of them got it. So what you need to do is go to settings, chart settings, symbol, and scroll down below and have enabled extended hours. Right? And then you can see the pre-post market price line here. And then when you got it, you can have it also on the bottom, all right, the X here, extended hours. So yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.